What's going on, people? What's going on? Look what I ordered off Amazon. I ordered, let me see. This is I don't know how you pronounce that, but I got this off Amazon. This is like their #1 seller. I seen a couple, well, a lot actually of YouTubers, people that do car videos, car blogs, install. This is how it looks. I mean, it come with these it's like, what do you call them? Twist ties, or I don't know what you call them. They come with more stuff and instructions and stuff. I left that in the house. So I'm just gonna install it. I'm not gonna like hardwire it or nothing like that or whatever you call it, because I don't really feel like it. I might do that tomorrow, but I don't think I'm gonna do an install video. I think I'm gonna just like, like pretty much run it through the cigarette lighter port and just show y'all later on when it get dark, like how it looks. And I'll probably put the link in the description to Amazon or what it is. But it's just pretty good. They got real good reviews and everything. And then also I got this is called, it's like it's that Sure. All this is I'll show y'all. It's just a car mount. It only costs about I think $11.99 on Amazon. So it's just so I could, when I have like a, what is this, a DJI Osmo Cosmo or something like that. It's pretty much equivalent to like a GoPro. So I'm gonna mount that. I'll show y'all what it look like once I do it. But these just a few little mods. I know I haven't done any big mods yet on the car. Me and Muffler Delete maybe to come. I want to do my halo lights on the outside with the RGB thing with the colors. I want to do red leather seats. I might do, but that's if I actually keep the actual car. I'm not sure, because I've been looking at Hellcats a lot, so I don't know how far to go with this car. Yeah, I'll show y'all the lights a little later and the car mount. Stay tuned, y'all. Peace out. Yes, Lord. I just want to show y'all. I don't know if y'all can see. This sticks really good, man. That's the light under there. I don't know if you can see it. I stuck it right under here. It sticks. The adhesive is really good, man. What I did, I don't know if y'all can see this good, but I ran the cord. It's a wire. I ran it. You can run it all under these little panels. And then on over here, I ran the wire right here. You look underneath. See, this lifts up right here. This side piece. Little, I don't know if they call it elephant skin plastic, whatever. It lifts up. So you can put the cord right there and slide it right. It's like a little gap right over there. It's a gap under here. Y'all will see, man. I got the Challenger. Like you'll see. It's like all this lifts up. This piece. So you can just slide, put the cord, and I'm about to just run the cord to the back. I said it's not really an install video. I'm just showing y'all like how smooth this is. Check back with y'all. Back again, y'all. See this? I don't know if I'm gonna keep it in there. I might just hot wire this, but one thing about, I guess all cars like this, but it's real easy to, like, up there I'm just I'm gonna get something to stick. Like, it's a lot of places to like crank and push that all between there. I put like the access cord under there, hide that. I'm doing the same thing on this side. All this elephant skin, whatever plastic crap you call it, all this stuff lifts up. So I'm gonna just run the cord the same way I did on the other side. And I mounted this part underneath because under here is like the felt or whatever that is. I don't know what material, but it ain't gonna stick on that. So I put it like right under where the glove compartment is. So yeah, it's pretty simple, y'all. I mean, this is cool, man. It's a cool little quick mod. I'll show y'all in a minute when it darken up. Well, it's gonna be a minute for y'all, but it's gonna be like later on in the day when they get dark, like how I look when they glow. What's going on, people? Forget my little, yeah, this is nighttime. I'm just showing y'all what it looked like. The install itself, I mean, I really wouldn't really even call it install. Pretty much it take like 5 or 10 minutes, man. That's why I showed y'all like really the process is pretty easy, man. It's $20 off Amazon. That's how much it costs. I'm gonna try to leave a link under this just in case y'all want to get it, man. But it's a cool little mod. It's real nice. I got it on like the little flicker. So like a little flicker mode, man. It's nice. And I ain't do the back yet. I mean, I got them running in the back, but I didn't mount them in yet. But it's real easy. I just got to find something to stick to so that the 3M tape could stick to for the back seats. But it's pretty much, that's the little app. It's also a it's like a remote that comes with too, that you could see. These all the modes, but this is the app. It's an app and it's like a little remote, so you don't have to use the app if you don't want. But that's like let me see. I don't know if y'all can see this. It's like movie mode. That's type of other mode. It just like it flickers different. That's if you want to change like everything. You got that's mode, candlelight mode, romantic mode, breathe. That's the twinkle mode. That's what it does with that. You got that's the energetic mode or whatever. That's the one I like. Then you could break it down to certain colors if you want. That's like the color mode. You hit red. You hit red. It turn red, as you can see. You hit with that orange, yellow. Say it's like 92 colors, because you could do like custom color. Like you do the color wheel. You could do like custom colors like this. Let me see. Do that. See it'll change whatever you see the green. Then you gotta go to like the wherever you go to. So it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool thing. Like I said, $20 mod, man. You can't go wrong. What you gonna lose with that? And it's just the music. I haven't tried this yet, but I wanted to get no copyright or nothing. But it's like the music. It blink. It's real sensitive. I think it's blinking to my voice as I talk, but that's it, y'all. But no, you got the brightness, like everything. It's pretty cool. You could do pretty much everything. It's pretty cool, y'all. So I'm just showing y'all this, man. It's a cool little install, cool little light. Yeah. But that's it, y'all. I'll check y'all on the next one.